I'm inside of a boat. I don't know if you can hear. There's Josh.
I think I had a button that hit me in the face. Get out in there, man.
There's Joshua.
Hey, oh, I'm gonna get in that fucking wheel seat. I'm gonna be Are you trying to?
We are inside of a boat in Newport Beach at Woody's Wharf.
Where? Chip. Oh, okay. Get in there. Get in the driver's seat. Coming in, dude.
Alright. Josh is boss.
God damn. This rocks.
I know.
Let's call for help, man.
I wish we could actually see in here. Wait, hold on.
Breaker. Oh, wait. Breaker 19. You got the wall, child. Come back. What's your 20, bitch?
We don't have the inside lights.
The inside lights are out. We've lost power, and we need generator backup. I think we might have ice forming on the hull. The hull is forming ice.
Over.
I say back, baby. This mermaid, her gills are drying up. I want to man the skiff.
Man the skiff.
Oh, God, that's the whale call.
It's dark.
Take a
That's
picture
the
of him in there,
whale
dude.
mating call.